Good day everybody, we got a beautiful question. If tan 11 degrees is given to be as A, we are expected to find what is the value of tan 1 degree. Now, foremost, I would like to start off the solution with this all-important formula, which is tan of A positive B, which is equal to tan A positive tan B over 1 negative tan A tan B. Now, if I were to take A is equal to B is equal to some x, then this formula can be rewritten as tan of x positive x is equal to tan x positive tan x over 1 negative tan x times tan x, which is equal to 2 times tan x over 1 negative tan squared x. On the left side, this is nothing but tan 2x. So we will be utilizing this formula, right? So let me write that down. Hence we got tan 2x is equal to 2 times tan x over 1 negative tan squared x. Now when x is equal to 11 degrees, if I were to take this as 2, therefore I can rewrite 2 to be as tan of 2 times of 11 is equal to 2 times tan 11 divided by 1 negative tan squared of 11. Now it's given that tan 11 is A, so this is 2 times A divided by 1 negative tan 11 is A, so this is going to be 1 negative A squared. On the left side I get tan 22, so I'm going to rewrite the right quantity, right hand side, so which is going to be 2A over 1 negative A squared. This is tan 22. Now let us find what is tan 44. Now taking x is equal to 22, therefore 2 can be rewritten. I can rewrite, therefore we can rewrite 2 as, I'm going to take x is equal to 22, right? So 2 is going to be tan of 2 of 22 is equal to 2 times tan 22 divided by 1 negative tan squared of 22. This is equal to, what is tan 22? 2A over 1 negative A squared, right? So this is 2 times of 2A over 1 negative A squared divided by 1 negative. This is going to be 2A over 1 negative A squared raised to the power of 2. And this is nothing but tan 44. Now I need to simplify this. So this can be rewritten as 2 times of 2A over 1 negative A squared divided by, if I were to resolve the denominator, this is going to be 1 negative A squared raised to the power of 2 negative 2A raised to the power of 2 divided by 1 negative A squared raised to the power of 2. Now you can cancel this with one quantity and rewrite this as 2 times of 2A over, if you were to expand this, is going to be 1 negative 2 times A squared positive A raised to the power of 4 followed by negative 2A raised to the power of 2 is going to be 4A squared divided by 1 negative A squared. Now if you were to flip this, this is going to be equal to 2 times of 2A times 1 negative A squared divided by 1 positive A raised to the power of 4 negative 2A squared added with negative 4A squared, that's going to be 6A squared. So what is this? This is nothing but tan 44, right? Now you might be wondering, why did I go and get tan 44? Just a minute, let me just show this to you. Now we are expected to obtain tan 1. Now tan 1 can be rewritten as tan of 45 minus 44. This is tan of A minus B. which is nothing but tan A minus tan B divided by 1 positive tan A tan B. Now what is tan A? Tan A in this case is tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. Take the 1 and substitute it there, followed by negative sign. Now what is tan 44? Tan 44 is this. This is the value that we have got. Substitute that value. So 2 times of 2a is going to be 4a of 1 negative a squared over 1 positive a raised to the power of 4 negative 6a squared divided by 1 positive. Tan 45 is 1, so this is going to get only the value of tan 44, which is 4a of 1 negative a squared divided by 1 positive a raised to the power of 4 negative 6a squared. Now you can very well take the LCM. So if you were to take the LCM, this is going to be 1 positive a raised to the power of 4 negative 6a squared, negative 4 times a, positive 4 times a raised to the power of 3 divided by the denominator, which is 1 positive a raised to the power of 4 negative 6a squared, over, take the LCM, you get 1 positive a raised to the power of 4 negative 6a squared, positive 4 times a, negative 4 times a cubed divided by 1 positive a raised to the power of 4 negative 6a squared. Now this and this can be cancelled, and is there anything else we can cancel? Of course we can't cancel other items, because this is 1, this is 1, this is a power 4, a power 4, negative 6a squared, negative 6a squared, but apparently over here it's negative 4a, positive 4a, positive 4a cubed, negative 4a cubed. So if I were to club these two things and rewrite this, this is going to be equal to, let me write that down here, tan. Now what I wish to do is I would like to club these things and rewrite them with the highest power starting first. So we will have the quantity for tan 1 starting from 4a cubed followed by positive, in fact we will start from a to the power of 4, positive 4a cubed, and then negative 6a squared, negative 4a, positive 1, and in this case it will start also from a to the power of 4 followed by negative 4a cubed, negative 6a squared, positive 4a, positive 1. So let me write that down over here. So therefore tan 1 is equal to a raised to the power of 4 positive 4a cubed negative 6a squared negative 4a positive 1 over a raised to the power of 4 negative 4a cubed negative 6a squared positive 4a positive 1. So this is the value for tan 1, which is got here, and I have summed it up over here. Thank you everybody. Enjoy your night.